Do I need an accountant if I use Xero? It's a great question, and one that many people have when they first dive into this powerful accounting software. The short answer? It depends on your business needs. But let's break it down so you have all the clarity you need by the end of this video. First off, Xero is an incredibly user-friendly and comprehensive tool designed to simplify the accounting process for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a growing team, Xero helps you keep track of your finances with ease. From invoicing to bank reconciliation, it automates a lot of what would traditionally require an accountant. But does that mean you can ditch your accountant? Not necessarily. Xero is a fantastic tool for managing your day-to-day accounting tasks, but it doesn't replace the expertise of a qualified accountant, especially when it comes to more complex financial matters. For example, if you're dealing with taxes, annual accounts, or strategic financial planning, you'll likely still need an accountant's assistance. Xero offers a ton of self-service features that make it easy for non-accountants to handle basic tasks. You can generate financial reports, track cash flow, and even prepare your accounts for tax filing. The platform integrates seamlessly with your bank, making reconciliations a breeze, and offers built-in payroll functions, invoicing, and expense tracking, so you have a real-time picture of your business's financial health. One of the most compelling features of Xero is its automation. It can categorize transactions and send reminders for overdue invoices, which makes managing your accounts much less time-consuming. However, while it's great for those daily tasks, it doesn't necessarily mean you're fully equipped to navigate tax laws, tax deductions, and business structures, especially if you're running a more complex operation. Now, if you're a freelancer, small business owner, or just starting out, Xero might be all you need. It's perfect for straightforward businesses where your needs can be handled by the software itself. Plus, Xero is cloud-based, meaning you can access it anytime, anywhere, and share access with your accountant if you decide you need one down the line. But what about if your business grows? That's when things get tricky. Xero doesn't fully replace the need for an accountant if your business scales. If you're dealing with more complex transactions, managing multiple revenue streams, or trying to plan for the future, a professional accountant will still be invaluable in offering expert advice. They can help you with things like tax planning, financial forecasting, and ensuring you're maximizing the potential of your business structure. Here's something to think about. While Xero can help you track your numbers, it doesn't automatically give you the strategy and insight you might need. That's where an accountant comes in. They'll not only help with your numbers, but guide you on how to use your financial data to make smarter decisions. So, do you need an accountant if you use Xero? The answer depends on how complex your financial situation is. If you're just starting out or have a small, straightforward business, Xero will likely do the heavy lifting for you. But as your business grows, so will your need for professional financial advice. I know this might seem like a lot to digest, but don't worry. If you want to explore Xero for yourself, you can start using it completely for free through the link in the description below, along with some exclusive bonuses. So if you're ready to get started with Xero, check it out and see how it can transform your business operations. And remember, if you've got a growing business and need a hand with the more complicated stuff, don't hesitate to bring in an accountant to help with strategic planning. Xero is amazing, but sometimes a little expert advice is exactly what you need. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to take advantage of that exclusive free trial, and I'll see you in the next video.